welcome back, everybody. Our final night in Las Vegas. And we're about to go live from the Cosmo. We got the man himself with me. The BBBB. He's been walking around the casino tonight looking at all the booty. One more! Yeah! There we go. Alright, everybody says yellow now, right? Well, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. Brent's Lucky Slot Channel is in the house tonight. What do you think, Brent? If you're wrong, you get banned. What do you guys say? Everybody left, right? Well, left didn't do it. Alright. Yellow? Alright, there you go. Let's do the yellow. Come on. Oh, 100 while. Alright, there we go. That's better.
Come on, all those guys. Really?
Well, I haven't seen 100 wilds yet. I've seen 6. I guess the wilds are waiting for the last. There. Oh, okay. There we go. That's better. The 10s. 3,900. There we go. All right. 100 wilds. Come on. Nah. Where are these 100 guys? Final one somewhere. That's. Yeah. That wasn't very. I mean, it's something. Boom, but not what we were hoping for. 3,900. Can only imagine how great 200 wilds would have been. Just tuning in right now, you're watching $250 lightning round. One more. Oh, yeah, there's the 12,500. Come on. Oh, where was that during the bonus rounds? Thank God I got the things up here now.
Yeah, that last hand, that was something.
Huh? Come on. We need the balls. We don't need these.
The lanterns.
Lanterns? Thank you, Olga. $2 super chat. Thank you, Scott, for complimentary presents. $250. Complimentary presents. Oh, present. You're very welcome. What? Oh, that's your wife. Oh, your fiance. Oh, you're very welcome. I was like complimenting you. One more. Yeah. This is for Olga. For Olga. Hey, Olga. I was like. All right. All right. What are we gonna do again? What do you guys think?
I say.
What do you think? Red, black. I don't know. I'm
colorblind, so I can't see.
I don't know. BOD, screw it up.
Screw it up? Yellow. Hold on, that was magic.
I guess if all 100 come out at once, BOD may have won nothing. Thank you, Brent's Lucky Slot Channel. Left. All right, next one will go left. All right, there we go. 1,000. All right, one more game for a miracle. And, well, way to go, BOD. Way to get us a 6x return. I knew he should have so gone left.
I am Chico says, put VOG in timeout. Where is Chico?
$2 Brother Dave, $2 super chat. Moving to Vegas in August. Boom.
Nice.
Come on. 2,800 people watching live, and on the East Coast, it's almost 1 a.m. Thank you, everybody, for staying up. Big shout out to all our fans from Australia, England, Canada, Netherlands, and all over the country. Oh, there we go. Something. Oh, near that. Saved by the bell. Yeah, well, yeah. All right, Brent. Wait, what did Brent say? Brent super chat left time left. All right, Brent left. Brent. All right. Brent, are you sure you want this one and not that one? Brent, are you positive? This one right here. Brent's Lucky Slots picks this one. Bam! Yeah, why don't we ever listen to Brent before? Is Brent the new slot whisperer? All right, Brent won us a whole $60 on that one. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, one more. That's huge. Yeah, that's big, I think. I think that's big. Blazing Slots, $2 super chat. Crazy Carl, $1 super chat. Thank you, Blazing. 46.60. All right. Oh, retrigger. Oh. How about a retrigger like a mofo? All right, a little kitty, a little something. Yeah, that's big too. 1,000 again. Lightning Joe Slots, $2 super chat. My two favorite things in the world: the Big Jackpot and Lightning Link. That wasn't very much for that one with all those. Halfway there. Yeah. Oh my God. Only 4. Oh, 10s. We got all 5. Boom, 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 in Bonsai's room. There we go.
10K.
Ren was right. 98-30. 5 games left. How many wilds are still left? Come on. Retrigger would be nice there. All right. That's 10. We hit 10. 10-6. 2 more games left for something big. How about an Orbits? All right. Boom! 10,600. There we go. Finally, somebody knew how to pick which one. Here, get a picture for T. T had to go call Emily. I guess problem at home with the kids. Did you get the 10,000?
Do one more if you want.
Well, we get the thing.
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay. There we go. Thank you, Brent, for your good picking.
Ask him to stand up. Can you stand up? My wife's right over here. I suddenly actually like this. Wife, come here. Wife, right here. 1, 2. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You're welcome.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
By the way, $10 grand.
We might watch you online.
Oh my God. That would have been 25, 35, 27,000.
I have no idea what's going on.
No, they're live.
Come on. Well, oh my God! All right, Brent. I'm not doing anything until Brent tells us what to do. All right, where's Brent? Somebody let me know what Brent says. Where's the slot whisperer? Where is he? We may be waiting all night long. Come on, Brent, tell us. Inquiring minds want to know. Bright yellow. All right.
Yeah.
Bright yellow. $2 super chat from Brent. Bright yellow.
15.
Thank you. All right. 100 awarded. McGlavin Slotgasm, $5 super chat, red.
There is no red one.
Yeah, there is. Oh my God! Oh, this is right again. How does he know these things? Coin shower. Coin shower. Coin shower. I'm gonna let it run out. I want to see what it is naturally. I'm not even gonna touch it. NG Slots, $5 super chat. Good evening, everyone. Raja Crash Casinos Bank today. Thank you, NG. Make sure you guys haven't checked out NG's channel. You do. NG is gonna show what he looks like at 20,000 subscribers. How much do you think this is? I'm just gonna let it run up naturally. Coin shower. I don't think I've ever had a coin shower on Lightning Link. I didn't say golden coin shower. I said coin shower. Oh my God! Almost 10 grand. Man City Slots 279 super chat. Brent for president. Oh my! Look at this.
Holy shit.
$11,000, $12,000 already.
Boom, boom, boom.
13-4. Yeah. Now can we get one more good spin in there?
There we go.
All right, little something.
That's a little bit.
Oh, we won 20.
Wow.
Those were all mini booms before you got here. 6 more spins, it'll be okay.
That's something.
How about the orbits now, or the lanterns? Oh my God, that's big. It's not as good as the third one, but that's still good. No coin shower. What? But we still can't get any lanterns.
Just gotta hit the lanterns once.
All this on the BBBB.
Big booty.
Come on. And we still got 4 games left, and we are approaching $15,000. We need another coin shower is what we need. We need a lantern to hit. Can lanterns hit in the middle of those?
The BBBB lanterns.
14-5 and still going. Oh, you can't get no lanterns during the thing?
Not during the free games. You can't get them.
Oh, but this one you get like the chips.
Yes.
That's right one. Oh my God, we're about to break 15,000, 14,950.
Yeah.
And we did it. We broke 15,000.
That's good.
$15,000. I love this game, Bonsai.
You love it. And we love the big jackpot. We love Raja.
Re-trigger now.
The haters are coming out.
Why were the haters? What are they saying, Bonsai?
I don't know. They're all getting timed out.
What are they saying? They're not happy that the Raja is winning big and playing his favorite game for everyone to watch tonight? Obviously, they're enjoying watching us. Boom, boom, boom.
Brent said Netflix star Brent is lucky.
Brother Dave, $2 super chat. I just myself. Wow. Well, I could say it, but I just sharded myself. Wow.
Yep.
I got him hung.
All right, 2 more left. All right, final one. Come on, one more home run. And all right, 15,800 and like $30. There we go. $15,830 and 3,000 people watching us live. Did you get that? Thank you for watching The Big Jackpot. We appreciate all your support.
If you want to subscribe, click here.
If you want to see more videos, click right here. If you want to buy some merchandise, click up here.
Boom!